In this video, you guys are going to see the inside systems of an AI Shopify plugin that's been around for 6 years. They've been doing really well. And you guys are also going to see the bottleneck in their business today that will stunt their growth in the future if they don't fix it. Okay, so this video is meant for AI businesses, so you guys get insights on what they've done to, grow this business to what it is from all the elements they have in their business that allows it to operate well. And you guys can learn from their bottleneck in their current business so that you can avoid it yourself. It's going to stunt their growth. Anyway, enjoy the video. All right, getwoohoo.com. It is a Shopify plugin that allows Shopify stores to get more email opt-ins from their pop-ups. And they've been in business for about 6 years. And these are what the games look like. Founded by Loran, sorry if I screwed up your name, and their monthly revenue is 53.7 grand a month. Okay, now the elements of this business is one, the email opt-in, and then two, the game offering discounts, free shipping, and gift cards. And the purpose of all these elements is to make email opt-ins more attractive. Now, the problem e-com owners experience are they have low opt-in rates due to lack of incentive, lack of motivation to make the opt-in. And how e-com owners typically get opt-ins is the email opt-in leads to discounts, free shipping, or gift cards without a gamified experience. Okay? Now, why does a gamified opt-in experience increase opt-ins? Well, the reward is random, which creates anticipation for the reward rather than a default reward in exchange for the opt-in. Okay? Now, the psychology behind random rewards is with zero risk involved when gambling for a great output, it's a greater risk not to gamble. And how casino slot machines incentivize people to gamble is they have no barrier to entry for great rewards. So $1 can equate to $1 million, right? Now, the customer profile for casino tables, on the contrary, is highly skilled risk takers who typically are high income earners with the habit of taking risks. So that's on the contrary. Now, the bottleneck in this business is opt-ins before playing the game will vary or differentiate depending on the trust e-com brands have with website visitors. Okay, so the opt-in comes before the game. Now, why is this a problem? Because it takes more commitment to opt in than to play the game. The actions involved with opting in is typing an email address word for word and giving permission to be disrupted, right? They get disrupted once they opt in, leading to emails in their inbox, right? And the result of giving emails to the wrong host is unwanted emails, aka spam. And the reason spam is bad is because we value our attention, right? Attention is the greatest form of currency today. Now, how do we know if e-com direct marketers will take a hit? Every arbitrage opportunity in history eventually gets saturated after becoming popularized. An example of this would be Russell Brunson's free product and paid shipping funnel no longer works today. It doesn't. And you might ask, how does market saturation affect business models? Well, the same way technology advances, humans get more sophisticated over time from singular experiences or from peers. Now you might ask, don't gullible people still exist? Yes, but it would be speed to lead for whoever can trick the limited supply of gullible people first. Once exposed, it's highly unlikely they'll fall for it again. leading to zero MRR from existing customers. And you might also ask, why won't gullible people make recurring purchases? When it's not a brand, whether it's white label or private label, they become aware from market analysis that they've been capitalized on. Okay? Now, the solution to this would be to identify the marketer, brand or direct marketer, which one? And then to craft the gamification for brand specifically. Now, to apply this solution, you want to, one, revamp the current game design to match the results established brands are receiving using split tests. So they use split tests to create the current model that it is, but it must have been for direct marketers because of the way it's designed right now. So they need to revamp it. And then two, move away from being a Shopify plugin and move towards being a Shopify webhook. And then by doing this, number three, they must require qualifications as a legitimate brand to use the tool. Right? So essentially what I'm trying to say here is they need to make sure whoever is using the tool is a legitimate brand. Right? Otherwise, they shouldn't be allowed to use the tool because this will lead the business in the right direction. And matter of fact, when you qualify people more to use any product, they actually want it more because people want what they can't have, right? So by focusing on brands, the business has more opportunity to grow because brands grow. They compound interest over time. So this is the solution. This is the solution for this business.